What is an airport? Well, you could look at it as a series of connections. Lots of connections. The big connections work because the little connections work. This is Copenhagen Airport. 30 million passengers a year, flights to over 170 destinations, the busiest airport in Scandinavia, and awarded Europe's most efficient airport for 14 of the past 16 years. ServiceNow helps Copenhagen Airport digitize connections between its service providers. ServiceNow IT Service Management creates a service home for the airport's 20,000 plus users. The portal can be accessed securely by anyone with a Copenhagen Airport ID. Users can self-serve a range of tasks, whether it's ordering new hardware or requesting access for a new colleague. This connectivity allows Copenhagen to create a digital experience for employees, from ordering extra security, to reporting safety concerns, to updating maintenance checks. It transforms Copenhagen Airport into one smart, connected building with IoT sensors, intelligent signage, proactive service rotas, and automated environmental management. A smarter, calmer, more pleasant airport experience. A place where connections take flight.